Hi, I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals. Got snow? Is it still cold where you are? I don't know if you remember, but a few weeks ago we were talking about how it's just so wonderful to have some plants that are like harbingers of spring, that they're starting to become active first things in spring. And we looked at the little flower buds on the prickly pear cactus, the cold hardy prickly pear cactus that we grow. And the flower buds were about the size of a button. Now they're nice and fat and about ready to explode in bloom. I'm here with Julie. Julie, show them what those big flower buds look like in just a matter of a few weeks. This is crazy. So about 2 weeks from now, this is the first week of April, and about 2 weeks from now is going to be right in the middle of our Cactus Flowering Days. And all of these flowers are going to be opened up in bloom. It'll look like the tulip fields of Holland. But I just wanted you to see the development, how fast these flower buds form and grow. There are thousands here. This is going to be crazy. So when I say I have a full house of cactus flowers, I'm not just bluffing. Tom from WaterwiseBotanicals.com.